Good morning guys, and welcome to today's video where I'm doing another video on a A-level maths topic, which is factorizing cubic expressions. So we are looking at the factor theorem in today's video, and we're going to be looking at polynomial division in today's video. So this is looking at AS level maths for year 12 students and year 13 students. For AS level maths and A2 level maths, for all examples for OCR, MEI, AQA and EdExcel and all the other international A-level examples. Right guys, this video was recorded on Friday the 30th of July 2021, and in today's video we are going to be looking at how to solve a cubic equation using the factor theorem and also polynomial division, which is also known as the long division method. Okay, right guys, before I start actually, so it is just a quick reminder and quick overview on this topic. So in the last video that I did on the factor theorem, okay, so feel free to obviously check that video out guys. What I'll do is I'll put it in the description below for part 1 of this video. Okay, so we said that a solution exists and is true if f of a equals 0, then x minus a is a factor. And similarly, if f of minus a equals 0, then x plus a is a factor. So what we're saying is a factor exists for a polynomial f of x such that if f of a equals 0, then x minus a equals is a factor. Okay, and if f of a and f of minus a don't equal 0, then I have a remainder, and that topic is called the remainder theorem, which I'll come on to on the next A-level maths video on my channel. Okay, right guys, so example 1 actually, so question number 1, we've got f of x equals x cubed minus 9x squared plus 7x plus 33. Part A says, show that x minus 3 is a factor of f of x. Well, x minus 3 is a factor, so that means that x equals 3 is a solution to my equation. So when I substitute in x equals 3, this function will equal 0 essentially. So f of 3 has to equal 0. So we want to prove that f of 3 equals 0. So we are going to substitute in x equals 3 into my expression or function. So when x is 3 guys, I'm going to get 3 cubed minus 9 lots of 3 squared plus 7 times 3 plus 33. Remember that cubed means obviously power of 3, squared means multiply by itself. So 3 cubed is 3 times 3 times 3, which is 27. 3 squared is 9, so it's going to be minus 9 times 9 plus 7 lots of 3. 7 times 3, guys, is 21, and then plus 33. Now, simplifying this, I'm going to get 27 minus 81 plus 21 plus 33. Okay, minus 9 times 9 is minus 81. Okay, and then simplifying this down, guys, 27 plus 33 is 60. 60 plus 21 is 81. Minus 81 is equal to 0. So therefore, x minus 3 is a factor because f of 3 equals 0, guys. So that has proved that my solution, so one of my solutions is going to be x equals 3. Okay, so that is my solution for the first part. Okay, part B. Now part B is asking us to essentially find the remainder quadratic equation for when I divide this function by x minus 3. Okay, so what I'm going to do is use polynomial division, also known as the long division, guys. So what I've done is the bus stop method here. Okay, so it's long division. So what I've done here is written out the function. So x cubed minus 9x squared plus 7x plus 33. That is being divided by x minus 3. Okay, so what I've done here is I've put an x squared here. X squared times x equals x cubed. And x squared times minus 3 is minus 3x squared. So what I'm going to do is subtract these first 4 expressions. X cubed minus x cubed is going to be 0. Minus 9x squared minus 3x squared is minus 9x squared plus 3x squared, which is minus 6x squared. Okay, and then I'm going to bring the plus 7x down. what I'm now going to do is knock off 1 for the power and put it up here. So so knocking off 1 of the power of minus 6x squared is going to be minus 6x. Okay, so minus 6x times x is minus 6x squared, and then minus 6x times negative 3 is positive 18x. I'm now going to subtract the equations again. Minus 6x squared minus minus 6x squared goes to 0 because minus 6x squared plus 6x squared, because 2 minuses make a positive. So that is going to cancel. 7x minus 18x is minus 11x. So what is left over is minus 11x, and then I'm going to bring the plus 33 down, and then the last part now is knocking off 1 for the x here, so knocking it down 1, so I'm going to get minus 11. Minus 11 times x is minus 11x. Minus 11 times negative 3 is plus 33. So minusing these last part, minus 11x minus 11x is going to be minus 11x plus 11x, which is going to be 0, and 33 minus 33 is going to be 0. So this has no remainder. Okay, so this is the quadratic that is left when I divide this cubic function by x minus 3. So this method is what I call polynomial division, also known as the long division method. So if you're not happy with this yet, and you are wanting more practice, then I'm going to make a video on how to work out long division in the future. So feel free to obviously tune into that video in the future. Okay, right guys, so lastly, so this function times x minus 3 equals f of x. So this times this is equal to f of x. Now let's say I wanted to like solve this like remainder equation. So what I can do is complete the square, guys. And doing that, so the solution for this is going to be x equals 3 plus or minus 2 root 5, and then x equals 3. Okay, so completing the square on this is going to be x minus 3 all squared minus 9 minus 11 is going to be minus 20. So it's x minus 3 all squared minus 20 equals 0. Rearranging that, it's going to be x equals 3 plus or minus root 20. And root 20 simplifies as a third as 2 root 5. So my solutions for this cubic equation, so it has 3 roots, is 3 plus 2 root 5, 3 minus 2 root 5, and x equals 3. So they are my 3 solutions for this cubic equation, okay? So that is how to solve and factorize a cubic expression or polynomial, guys. Okay, so I hope that actually made sense, guys. Any questions or any queries, then feel free to drop it in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment and share, and also turn on post notifications by pressing the bell icon, so enable notifications. Okay, and comment below on any topic requests that you would like to see for GCSE Maths, Key Stage 3 Maths, Key Stage 2, Key Stage 1, AS and A2 level Maths and further Maths. Okay, thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.